Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Heat 2 to 3 inches of oil in a wok or a small saucepan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius, for deep frying. Gently drop the spring rolls into the oil and deep fry in batches. Deep fry until golden brown. Remove the spring rolls using a strainer or a slotted spoon, draining excess oil on a plate lined with paper towels.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cooking the spring rolls. It's best if you cook them in 2 batches. Add 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil in the frying pan and turn the heat to medium-high, 6. Before you let it cook, coat the spring rolls completely in oil by rolling them until all 4 sides touches the bottom where the oil is.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Else spring rolls might explode while frying. If the oil is too hot, then rolls might get brown soon and will not be cooked inside. If the oil is too cold, then it will absorb excess oil. Good practice is to fry them by switching the flame between medium and medium-high.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First time with low heat so that it's partially cooked. Take them out and let cool completely, or store them in the freezer for later. The second time, fry them on medium heat until they're cooked and crunchy. Furthermore, be generous with the oil when frying spring rolls. Deep frying will make them crunchy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fresh spring rolls are very healthy, especially if you pack them full of raw veggies and lean protein. Spring roll wrappers are low in fat and calories. 1 piece of rice paper usually has between 30 to 40 calories. When spring rolls become less healthy are when they are fried.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.